Yeah, what's up, what pop? It's your girl Yana, and this is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and same self-help strategies. So I am double recording, actually. So I'm recording on my YouTube channel, and I'm recording on Instagram Live. So I just had some time before I go to work, so I wanted to get ready with y'all. So I did record a look on this hair. What I did to my hair and all of that. I did record a look on this. When it's gonna be uploaded, I don't know. Because I just kind of batch record, and then when I'm able to, I edit my videos, and then I just kind of pick whichever one I want to be put on my channel. Liana, and go ahead and subscribe to that. Okay, so that's my YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to it. So I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. If I do not upload on Tuesday and Friday, I'm either uploading on Saturday. If it seems like I'm not uploading on Tuesday, it's probably early because that's when I have time to upload. So I don't have on makeup right now, and I wanted to do a get ready with me. So let's get started. So we have our makeup sponge here. This is my favorite bronzer. It kind of broke. So this is the City bronzer. This is my highlighter, Laura Geller. This is my on-the-go highlighter. So this is my little makeup bag. I already did my brows today because I went and got me some Chick-fil-A breakfast. I don't know. Chick-fil-A breakfast was calling me this morning. I don't know why, but it was calling me. And I was like, I gotta go get some Chick-fil-A. I don't even know. Very first thing that I like to do, I don't do this all the time. I only do it when I have time to do it. So before I put on my foundation, I put on this. So this is L'Oreal Infallible. And it's like a glow illuminator because I like my skin to look glowy, and naturally my skin already looks glowy. You can tell here on my YouTube, and you can tell a little bit on this Instagram Live as well. So I'm gonna go ahead. I just do a little squeeze on my cheeks, on my forehead, and then down by my chin. I'm technically supposed to be cooking right now, but I don't want to cook. That's the thing. I don't even think I'm going to cook today. When can I cook? When can I cook? I'm trying to figure out. I know I can cook on Thursday because that's my day off, but I was thinking about cooking, but then I'm just I don't want to cook. If I do cook, it'll be closer, right between blah, 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 so I have to, get dressed. So right now I'm not dressed. This is my lounge shirt. So you in the house or you want to go do an errand real quick and you still look presentable, this is that shirt. Okay, so I used to use Born This Way foundation, but I'm on a budget. Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the color 315. It is a little bit dark because I didn't do it on purpose, but in the wintertime I get a little pale. And so this gives me a little color, I got a slight tan. So it is one color up from the actual color. Because in this one is my actual color, and this is 310, and this one's 315. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference from looking at it on here, but this is lighter, and then this one's more tan. I just put this is how much foundation I wear every day. I'm going to show you. I wear this much foundation every day. Can y'all see that? That's how much foundation I wear. I don't put on a whole bunch of foundation. Okay, and then I'm going to use my setting spray to make it wet. And it'll easily be smooth, and it'll glide onto my face. And then I just pat it this area, this area, this area, and this area, right? And then I just start from my forehead here to this cheek, and I just dab it in. And I know that some girls rather use a makeup brush, but I like to use a makeup sponge because I don't know if it's faster or is it just easier, but I did hear that the sponge soaks up your product. But personally, I like this. And then also, you see how this made my skin way more like glowy and way more like dewy? It's because this foundation in the Maybelline Fit Me has two different kinds, right? So it has the matte and poreless, and I have the dewy and smooth. So if you have dry skin, you would use the dewy and smooth, and then if you have oily skin, you would use the matte and poreless. Okay. I just used a regular eyebrow pencil. Maybe I'll come on here and show y'all how I do my brows one time. Whatever. So this is like the base of my makeup. I don't really put on a lot of makeup. Like, if you're a makeup beginner, it may seem like I put on a lot of makeup, but if you're an advanced makeup person, you're like, girl, you barely put on any makeup. The foundation is the whole base. It just makes my skin look really, really good. Okay, and then the next thing that I do is I take my City bronzer. I love this bronzer. Ugh, I love it. I used to use this other bronzer, but I don't remember what it was, and I ran out of it, so I went to this bronzer, and I'm loving it. Okay, where's the bronzer brush? Okay, here it is. Okay, so here we go. The bronzer brush. I just like pat it in a little bit. Sometimes I like a lot, sometimes I like a little. From here. Okay, and I'll go like this. Some people say that, like, you shouldn't use bronzer as contour or whatever, but I don't see the big hubbub about it. I don't see the big hubbub about it. So I just kind of like go in a circular motion and go up towards, you know, like by my ear. Hope y'all can see that, right? And y'all see where like this is glowing? Like that's where I would put the Laura Geller, you know, highlight, right? So I do it on both sides of my face. You can go like this if you don't know where the placement is. So then I do a little dab, and then I do some over here on the top.
And you know, it's kind of like contouring, but not necessarily.
I like it because it gives my face more depth and it gives it more color. Sometimes I do under here. I don't think it really makes a difference, but I'll just do it under here for y'all to know. I mean, for y'all to see, really. But that's not a big deal to me when I haven't done this part in a while. Oh, I do my mascara. These are all drugstore products, y'all. Minus the Laura Geller. Laura Geller is not drugstore highlight at all. But all of my products, even my brow pencil, is a drugstore thing. Okay, because we ain't rich over here. Okay. Okay, you better. What else do I do? I do my highlight next, actually. I don't really wear lashes. I have lashes, but I don't wear lashes on a regular day. So I go like that, and I put it down the bridge of my nose. You see where it's like shiny up here? I do it right underneath where I put the what's that called? The bronzer, and I kind of like, I just use my finger and I'll blend it out. That's what I do. Okay. And then I also take some and I put it right there on my Cupid's bow. Dang, my head looks shiny right there. Dang, my head looks shiny. Okay. And then you do some a little bit like that. And then you take a little bit and you put it underneath your chin, but you gotta rub it in so it don't look crazy. And then also you just start doing your regular highlight. So go like that, and you do go like that, and we just go like that, and we just go like that. Yeah, this is like my basic highlight. I have another highlight that's like, wow, wow, bow, bow. I have that type of highlight, but when I'm going to work, I don't want to wow, wow, bow, bow highlight, you know? Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. And then I just kind of like, I don't know, I just like smooth it out and blend it out with my own finger. I don't really like the highlight fan brush. I feel like that thing don't do nothing. This is my final step in my makeup process. And this is where I pick out a lip color. Right now, oh, what lip color do I want to wear? I don't know. I'm mainly, oh, you know what? I did just buy some lip glosses. I'll be right back. Dollar glosses from the beauty supply. I want to try these out. I got one that's like a light pink sparkly color, and then I got one that's like a, what's the word, a bronzy brown, hey, like a bronzy brown type of color too. And which one do I want to wear? I think I want to do this one. I don't know, I just want to do this one. So I'm actually just gonna do a lip combo because this is like an old lip gloss. I don't even think they make this lip gloss anymore unless it's like on eBay or something. I'm just gonna put this on first, and then I'm gonna put this on top, and then I'm gonna see how it looks because I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's try this. I just got it on my teeth. Okay, let's try that. Not too much because this is really a pigmented color. It's super pigmented. And then this dollar gloss. This a dollar gloss, all right, because ain't jack coming out on this brush. All right, look at it. What the heck is on here? Not nothing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on top. I guess it's like glitter. It's just glitter to put on top, I guess. Whatever. It smells good though, but ain't really much coming out of this. That's why it's $1. Irritating. On a budget. Shoot. We is on a budget. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. And she looks pop. All right. Let's watch this color. I'm like, ooh, should I just like add it to the one that I have? Ooh. I don't know. Lou, look at the brown one. Let's try the brown. I can't talk. I'm just going to put it on top. Why not? I don't know. I can't really tell. Hold on. That's cute. It just mutes down the pinkness of it, so I don't look too like whitish pink, you know? So yeah, I think it looks good. Yeah, so that's just what I do for my makeup. I don't do too much. I'll see y'all on my next one. It's your girl, sincerely, y'all know.